Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony headphones to an LG Smart TV. First, make sure both your Sony headphones and LG Smart TV are powered on and ready. Next, put your Sony headphones into pairing mode. This often involves holding down the power button for several seconds until an indicator light flashes. Then, on your LG Smart TV, go to the Sound Settings menu to start the connection process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing experience. Once your headphones are in pairing mode, grab your LG Smart TV remote. Press the Settings button, often represented by a gear icon, to open the All Settings menu. From there, scroll down and select the Sound option. Within the Sound menu, you'll find Sound Out, which is where you'll tell your TV to send audio to your headphones. This step directs the sound output correctly. After selecting Sound Out, you'll see options like Bluetooth or LG Sound Sync, Wireless. Choose the Bluetooth option to begin the search for your headphones. Your LG Smart TV will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list, select them to initiate the pairing. This connection typically takes only a few moments to establish. After selecting your headphones, your LG Smart TV will display a confirmation message indicating successful pairing. To ensure everything is working perfectly, play some content on your TV and verify that the audio is now coming through your Sony headphones. If you encounter any difficulties, try restarting both your headphones and the TV, then repeat these simple pairing steps. Most connections are established within 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.